Today we have something a little special to show you. We're here on location in Mirador De Estepona Hills. We have a double 6-bedroom ground floor apartment which leads over to the sea and gives you amazing panoramic sea views. Come and take a look. The apartment's on the ground floor, so as we enter, we're greeted by the communal areas. We've got the lift down to the parking, and as we come through, you've got the stairs, the lift here again. The apartments are here, so we have 2 entrances. So you've got one door here and one door here, but we'll go into this. As we enter inside, we're greeted by the completely open plan living room. This used to be 2 apartments, so as you can imagine, there would have been a wall here separating the 2 apartments. So the 2 apartments have been put into one, making it a 6-bedroom apartment. So we have 3 bedrooms on the left side and 3 bedrooms on the right side. But you can see it gives you a completely open plan dining, living area and lots of space. Plenty of space for a large dining table. Lots of shelves, lots of storage, really nice big sofa here, as you can see. Light and bright and airy coming through from the terrace. So this would have been one living area and that would have been another living area, but put into one huge apartment, it just makes lots and lots of space. And as you can see, we come through to the other side, the other door, and back into the communal areas. So we'll start back here, and we've got the kitchen, the galley kitchen. You will also immediately notice that there's lots and lots of cupboards to put things, Neff appliances, integrated fridge freezer, and you've got the oven and the microwave here. In the back here, there's a pantry with the washing machine and drying area. It's nice to keep it separate. Lots and lots of storage, which I really like. So we'll start in the master room with the ensuite bathroom. As you will immediately see, it's nice and light and bright and airy and has direct access to the terrace, which is really nice. If you've got any guests staying over, they could stay in this room and have direct access to the terrace. Now we'll go and take a look around this side of the apartment. This is my personal favourite because it has 2 bedrooms which lead straight out onto the terrace. So you'll see that it's slightly different, but it's pretty much the same interior-wise as the living area and the kitchen. So again, we've got the galley kitchen with the built-in appliances to the right and the laundry room at the back. And then we'll go through here. So this master bedroom again leads onto the terrace, but also the guest bedroom leads onto the terrace. So we'll just take a quick look at the master room. You've got the really nice spacious bathroom and shower. And as you come in, you can see there is plenty of space here for a big bed, bedside tables, and straight out on to the terrace. And we've also got the electric shutters, which I didn't mention before, on all of the bedrooms in the apartment, which really makes it nice for privacy, or if there's a lot of sun, or for sleeping. As impressive as the apartment is on the inside, it's outside where the magic really happens. Let me show you. So we have the same concept here on the terrace outside. So double apartment inside means double terrace outside. So plenty of space in here, 6-seater dining table. The current owner has this part set up as the TV area, 2 nice comfortable chairs and a huge flat screen there. We've also got the glass curtains, so you can have this closed in the winter. Makes it a really nice room. But in the summer, they can all fold back. And here we have a nice chill out area with sofas, and you can enjoy the views from here. So we'll go outside. This really for me is the selling point. You've got the complete open, spectacular and panoramic view of Estepona city and the sea beyond. We come across, we've got the complete west view over to the mountains. And over here we've got a little bit more terrace space as well. So this hasn't been glassed in, so it can be completely open. We've got the sunbeds, the sun brolly, and access to the 2 bedrooms here as well. And my favourite feature of the whole property is the jacuzzi. So hot and cold, you can dip in the summer, in the winter you have it on hot, enjoying a glass of cava, enjoying the sunsets. And then over here, we've got one of the pools of Mirador. This is not the main pool of Mirador. This is actually the more tranquil and quiet one, so you wouldn't expect any noise from this pool at all. And as the apartment is elevated, it's very, very private, so nobody can, see your apartment from the pool at all. This beautiful 6-bedroom apartment is for sale on the market. As I said, at the moment it's 6 bedrooms, but it can be sold as a 3-bed and a 3-bed. So if you would like to arrange a viewing or would like any more details, you can contact on the information below.